Hello everyone, now we will start 5.4. In this exercise, we have to solve the equations and inequality. Radical equations mean you are provided by something has some rational power or maybe nth root and that is equals to something. We will try to solve or find the value of unknown variable. So the first step is try to isolate that variable. If I try to solve the question number A, 2 square root x plus 1 equals to 4. Okay, you see this. 2 square root x plus 1 equals to 4. I am trying to isolate x in this case. So I divide by 2 both sides. It becomes this. Then I square both sides. X plus 1 equals to 4. Subtract 1 both sides. So 3. Your x value is 3. Done. Okay. Similarly for the B, you will add 1 on both sides. It's a cube root of this term. I'm adding 1 on both sides. Then in the last question, this question, there was a square root. So I square both sides. There is a cube root. I'm taking cube both sides. So 2x minus 9 equals to 3 power 3. That's 27. 2x minus 9 is 27. So 2x equals to 29 plus 7. That is 36. 2x equals to 36. So divide by 2. That's 18. Your x value is 18. Okay, done. Next. The next question is, in a hurricane, the mean sustained wind velocity V can be modeled by this, where P is the air pressure at the center of hurricane. Estimate the air pressure at the center of hurricane when the mean sustained wind velocity is 54.5 meters per second. Velocity is provided. We have to find pressure, P value. We have to find P when V is 54.5. Function is already given, V of P. 6.3 square root of 1013 minus P. Okay, now substitute the value of V. It's a 54.5. 54.5 equals to 6.3 square root of 1013 minus P. Divide by 6.3. I'm dividing both sides with 6.3. I will get 8, 6 8 42 something. 48 point something. So 8.65 is equals to, because I'm taking some approximate decimal, so it's approximately 1013 minus P. To remove the square root, I square both sides. I took the square both sides. It will be 74.8. It's approximately 1013 minus P. P is approximately 1013 minus 74.8. So that is nearly or approximately 938.2. This is the pressure we got in millibars. So 938.2 millibars. Okay. Next is we have to solve this. In the last question, there was only variable one side. Now variable on both sides. Process remains same. We have to isolate again the variable. X plus 1 is equals to square root of 7x plus 15. So what I did, I took the square both sides. X plus 1 is equals to square root of 7x plus 15. I took square both sides. It will be x square plus 2x plus 1. 7x plus 15. Now you can subtract 7 from both sides. 2 minus 7, minus 5. Subtract 15 both sides, it's minus 14. You got this. So once you get this, let's find the factors. 7 2s are 14, 7 minus 2, 5. But the 5 is negative, so minus 7 plus 2. X minus 7 is a one factor, x plus 2 is another factor. So x minus 7 equals to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to 7 or x equals to negative 2. Okay, it's done. Let's do the next one. We have to solve, in this case, every time there is a new case. One side x, both side x, now both side radical in form of x, radical x. Here you can't do anything, you have to take square root. If one of term is without square root, you can shift 1. But both side is a square root, there is no meaning of shifting 1 in this case. So I'm taking square in both sides. X plus 2 plus 1 whole square. Square root of 3 minus 6 whole square. Open it using the formula of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2 times a times b plus b square. Square and root cancel, so 3 minus x. You can add x on both sides, it's 2x. Subtract 3 both sides, it's negative 1. 2 plus square root x plus 2 plus 1 equals to 0. Plus 1, negative 1, cancel. 2x plus 2 square root of x plus 2 equals to 0. I subtract 2x on both sides. Then I divide by 2. Okay. So here I divide by 2. Then I square both sides. You got this. So solve this. X square minus x minus 2. What are the factors? X minus 2 is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor. So that means x minus 2 equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0. X equals to 2 or x equals to negative 1. You are getting two solutions and the both side was root. In this case, there may be some extraneous solution. So try to substitute this in the original equation given. So I am substituting 2. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 minus 2. Square root of 4, 2 plus 1. It's a square root of 1. Left side is 3, right side is 1. So x equals to is the solution of this quadratic equation. But x equals to 2 is not the solution of this radical equation. Okay, let's check for negative 1. Square root of negative 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals to square root of 3 negative of negative 1. So that becomes plus 1. It's a 1 root plus 1 square root of 4. It's a 1 plus 1, 2 and 2. Yes, it's satisfied. So only x equals to negative 1 is the solution. The value of x that's not satisfy original equation is known as extraneous solution. Okay, so x equals to 2 is extraneous solution. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's do the next. Now we have this. Solve 2x to the power 3 by 4 plus 2 equals to 10. What you can do this? You can isolate x easily, right? So subtract 2 both sides. 8. How you can remove this power? You can remove it one by one. Okay? You can remove this by taking power 4 by 3 both sides. If 3 by 4 was already take power 4 by 3. 8 power 4 by 3. What is 8? 8 is 2 cube. 8 is 2 cube. 2 cube whole power 4 by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. 2 power 4 is 16. This 4 cancel. 3 with cancel here. So 2x. 2x equals to 16. 2x 16. So x is 8. Done. Okay. Next, solve this x plus 30 to the power half is equals to x. In this case, we will try to take square both sides. X plus 30, half was there. I took square both sides is equals to x square. Square and root cancel, so x plus 30 is equals to x square. Shift everything to the other side. X square minus x minus 30 equals to 0. Now find the factors. X plus 6 or x minus 6, because minus 6 plus 5 is negative 1. Minus 6 multiply 5 is negative 30. So x minus 6 times x plus 5 equals to 0. X equals to 6 is the one solution, or x equals to negative 5 is one of the solution. You have a x on both sides. So I will try to check, is there any extraneous solution or not? I substitute here x6. 6 plus 30 to the power half is 6. 36 the root, that's a 6. So yes, it's satisfied. It's satisfied here. Then I check for this negative 5. Negative 5 plus 30 to the power half is equals to negative 5. So 25 to the power half, it's negative 5. 25 square root is 5. 5 is equals to negative 5? No. So x equals to negative 5 is extraneous solution. X equals to negative 5 is extraneous solution. Okay. Solution. Okay. Next we will do the inequality. Now we have an inequality. It says solve radical inequality. You have a less than equals to sign. What you can remember in the inequality question? If you are dividing by a negative term, change the inequality. If you multiply by a negative term, change the inequality. Okay? Here I divide by 3. 3 is a positive number, so inequality remains same. Then I took square both sides. So x minus 1 is less than equals to 16. So what you will get? X is less than equals to 16 plus 1. That is a 17. So it says x should be less than 17. This is the condition here. Look at this condition also. The given inequality. This is not exist. This term will not exist if you substitute a number less than 1. So domain is x greater than equals to 1. And you get the upper bound. The highest value is 17. So what's the answer? Your answer is lying in between 1 to 17. Done. Okay? This is how we get this question of a radical inequality. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.